So we are going to be covering today's daily agenda for the 21st. So we are still focusing on argumentative writing and alrighty everybody. So this is going to be our daily agenda for the 21st. We are still on argumentative writing. So today we are going to be looking at the prompt. We're going to be looking at a do-what chart and the thesis for this assignment. For homework, you guys are going to be continuing on with that highlighting and labeling for the sample essay, which we did yesterday in class. The argumentative graphic organizer, we're going to work on that today, and that's going to be due this Sunday. And of course, any missing assignments. This class does have more than a few missing assignments, so let's make sure we get those done because I'm going to start closing out assignments. Alright, so attacking the prompt. So we are going to be looking at our prompt that we are going to be practicing with this week and really kind of into next week. You have your writing task, your writing prompt, and our do-what chart. I'm going to have you guys actually read through this in class, and then we're going to start breaking down just the prompt. We are also going to be using a graphic organizer. So this is in Google Classroom. We will go through how to find it in class, but it's going to be under the argumentative writing task in the classwork section. And we're going to start breaking down the do-what chart. So our writing prompt, how much sleep do we really need? You are going to write a multi-paragraph argumentative essay supporting why individuals should get enough sleep in order to avoid sleep deprivation. Be sure to state a claim and support your ideas with several pieces of textual evidence taken from sources A through D, articles and infographics, as well as your own experiences. Explain how that evidence relates to your claim, and be sure to include a counterclaim as well. So in our do-what chart, we are going to highlight the verbs, put them under do, and then under what, usually what follows. So you're going to write, that's the verb. So you're going to write what? You're going to write a multi-paragraph argumentative essay. So you could put multi-paragraph argumentative essay, or you could just put argumentative essay. So just depends on your preference, and we will go through this in class and fill this out. And this is going to be also on the graphic organizer, your do-what chart. So we will be doing this together. I expect you guys to follow along. And then we're going to be going through our sources. We guys have 3 articles to read from: The Mysteries of Sleep, Why Do We Sleep, and Infecting Our Dreams, Pandemic Sabotages Sleep Worldwide. Then you're going to have one infographic, which is The Power of Sleep. And then you're going to write your thesis. We will practice this in class. You're going to practice using this formula: your claim and 3 reasons why. So I left you 2 sentence starters there. So due to whatever the subject is, in this case it's going to be sleep deprivation. Students should not be getting enough sleep because blank, blank, blank. Well, it's cut off weird, but this is also that's weird to cut off. But this is just where you would be essentially including your argument for that. And then students should or should not, your claim because 1, 2, and 3. It's weird how that cuts off. And also for visual learners, we have the issue plus your claim, the 3 reasons, and your thesis statement. So that's just kind of a fun little way for us to help break it down. And lastly, we're going to be going over what questions or what do you need more information on. You guys are going to be writing this next week, so it's going to be important that you guys get this. But yeah, if you guys still have questions on TPAC, EPAC, how do we write this, how are we going to get into the DWA, please let me or Miss Arroyo or Miss Reyes know. We're going to get you that help. Other than that, I'll see you guys in class tomorrow.